In an industry obsessed with legacy badges and heritage storytelling, China decided to do the opposite. While everyone was busy watching Germany tweak their engines and America debate electric strategies, the Chinese were quietly preparing their master move. And no, they're not coming with outdated technology or cheap plastic interiors like some critics love to claim. They're coming with what the world forgot matters. Raw innovation, insane technology, prices that demolish the competition, and engineering that's leaving traditional brands scrambling to respond. Vehicles built not for show, but for real performance, for real people, for real disruption. And now, in 2026, they're arriving. Redesigned, upgraded, ready to compete without asking permission and without fear of anyone. Today you're going to discover exclusively the 5 Chinese cars nobody saw coming. Models that are about to make more than one traditional brand very nervous. And I'm warning you right now, number 1 is a sedan that's leaving half the world speechless because of its price, power, and because it contradicts everything we believed about the Chinese automotive industry. So I suggest you watch this video until the end, because what you're about to see here, the traditional brands don't want you to know. Welcome to the most real automotive channel on YouTube. Number 5, BYD Seal. Let's start this list with a launch that left more than one modern brand trembling. This is the BYD Seal. The sedan many consider the true Tesla Model 3 killer, and that came back to remind the industry what a real electric vehicle is. The Seal didn't evolve toward what everyone's doing today. It didn't become a screen on wheels or a tech gimmick full of fragile software. It evolved toward what matters: more range, more power, more value. It's exactly what a Chinese giant would do, a sedan that enters where others don't dare because they see the price and they're already backing out. For 2026, the Seal brings engineering that follows the same BYD philosophy. Electric motor producing up to 530 horsepower in the performance trim, and yes, not very common in a sedan at this price. But here comes the good part: 435 miles of real range, blade battery technology that's safer than anything else on the market, and an acceleration that goes from 0 to 60 inches under 4 seconds. You don't need 1,000 modes to function. You don't need configurations. You don't need menus. It's pure electric power the old-fashioned way, as those who know like it. BYD gave it an 800-volt architecture that makes it a beast for fast charging. And if you want proof, ask anyone in Europe. The Seal is legend there. Electric vehicle of choice, conquering highways, loading families, carrying weight day and night under rain, snow, or sun. And the best part, without being left stranded like modern cars. You can't even dream of that. And now comes the part that destroys all the competition: the price. While many electric sedans cost the same as a luxury apartment, this Chinese warrior sits between $45,000 and $50,000 depending on market, a price that humiliates any electric sedan that boasts technology but can't support a real family's daily use. The Seal was born in China's electric revolution to compete with the best, not to take selfies for Instagram. And today, in 2026, it continues selling like hotcakes in Europe and Asia, surpassing electric sedans that seem made of paper. The Seal is what many brands forgot to build a vehicle that lasts years without complaining. Friends, we're wondering whether Chinese cars will really soon win the hearts of motorists around the world. We at the team believe it's inevitable, but what do you think? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Let's continue. Number 4. Xiaomi SU7 2026. The one that follows now is faster, smarter, and more advanced. This is the Xiaomi SU7, an electric sedan from a tech company that doesn't come to compete with displays or with premium interiors. It comes to crush performance records. This vehicle follows the philosophy that China has defended for decades: real capability before superficial comfort. The SU7 has never been a sedan to show off on social media. It's not a toy for mall parking lots. Its mission has always been the same: to pass where others simply die trying. And in this new generation, that idea not only remains, it gets reinforced. The SU7 2026 arrives with a motor that perfectly represents what it means to be Chinese innovation. Electric powertrain producing up to 690 horsepower. A motor known for being almost unbeatable, it takes you there and back through the worst conditions without asking for anything more than electricity. It delivers blinding acceleration, but the efficiency is there. And that's what matters when you're cruising at high speeds or navigating through city traffic. The technology, as it should be in a sedan from a tech giant, comes packed with artificial intelligence, real AI driving assistance, HyperOS integration with your entire digital ecosystem, and a self-driving system that's leaving Tesla sweating. Nothing about little electronic buttons that fail under pressure. Here, everything is cutting-edge software, premium hardware, simple functioning. It's designed for tech enthusiasts and performance lovers. Because there you know that in an extreme situation, electronics don't save you. Innovation does. The design is sleek, aerodynamic, with a drag coefficient that makes it one of the most efficient sedans on Earth. It's mounted on advanced batteries that handle abuse without asking permission. The SU7 is built for whoever seeks real answer for daily driving. For tech workers, engineers, entrepreneurs, and also for anyone who wants an electric sedan without having to pay $100,000 for a car full of empty promises. And yes, the price is one of its strongest weapons. It's estimated that the Xiaomi SU7 2026 will sit between $32,000 and $44,000, a ridiculous value if you compare it with electric sedans that cost triple but can't enter a charging station without breaking a sensor. While the market fills with electric sedans that vibrate with just hitting a speed bump, the SU7 continues being one of the few authentic high-tech sedans that remain counted. And wait, because the 3 Chinese models that are coming really surprise. This is where the industry starts sweating cold. If you like this video and love cars as much as we do, please give it a like. This will help the channel grow. Thank you. Number 3. Nio ET7. Now yes, let's go with the most luxurious Chinese model on this whole list. The one that demonstrates that China not only knows how to make rugged vehicles, it also knows how to make luxury monsters capable of facing the European giants. I present to you the Nio ET7, the electric sedan created to compete directly with others from the segment like the Mercedes EQS and the Porsche Taycan. And the best part? It's not a publicity stunt. It's a sedan that the Chinese elite is using. Executives, business leaders, people who wouldn't accept a vehicle that fails for even a second. The heart of this ET7 is a declaration of war, a dual-motor system producing close to 650 horsepower, developed with cutting-edge battery technology that delivers more than 600 miles of range, with the optional 150 kilowatt-hour semi-solid-state battery. Yes, you heard right, semi-solid-state battery. A technology created to move tons of luxury and tech as if they were foam and with a permanent all-wheel drive system. This sedan isn't just fast, it's a tech showcase dressed in a suit. Inside, it's another world. Here, there's no cheap plastic or screens stuck on like school tablets. This is real luxury. Artisanal leather, captain-style rear seats that recline, authentic wood trim, a modern dashboard, silent, worthy of an executive. Nio doesn't manufacture cars, it manufactures diplomatic pieces with wheels. And although it's an ultra-luxury sedan, it doesn't abandon that Chinese essence. Reinforced chassis to support additional weight, modifications, special equipment, and even intensive use. This ET7 is designed to withstand what an EQS or a Taycan wouldn't even consider. Now let's talk about price, and hold on tight because it's between $65,000 and $78,000 depending on battery configuration and equipment. It's not made for just anyone. It's made for those seeking an exclusive sedan, almost impossible to see on the street, and with a presence that scares more than it impresses. The Nio ET7 is demonstrating something many didn't want to accept. China can also manufacture real luxury at the level of the most prestigious Europeans, and in some cases, surpassing them in technology and durability. Number 2. Yangwang U9 2026 inches. This spot, we bring another Chinese car that's giving a lot to talk about. It's not as legendary as the BYD Seal, but it's demonstrating something many electric hypercars forgot, that extreme performance also sells. I'm talking about the Yangwang U9 2026, the more extreme brother of the luxury lineup, but that maintains that insane DNA that so many people value. The U9 was always the crazy version, but BYD understood it was time to update it for real. So, this new generation arrives with upgrades more profound, performance renovated, better materials, and an interior that finally stops looking like a concept car dashboard. Look, don't expect practicality or family features, but now it does feel like a proper hypercar for extreme enthusiasts. Better built and without losing its supercar essence. Now let's go directly to the motor, because it calls a lot of attention. The Yangwang U9 2026 maintains a quad-motor electric setup, blocks that are simple, robust, and with more power than the previous model. These are motors designed to dominate, to perform, and to make headlines at any track without having to mortgage the house. Like happens with modern hypercars that come full of sensors even to open the glove box. This hypercar maintains all-wheel drive, a system less civilized than normal luxury sedans, yes, but sufficient for racetracks, high-speed runs, and for those situations where electric hypercars from traditional brands get stuck just seeing a corner at full throttle. Here, there's no electronics that brake or driving modes hidden in touchscreens. It's a pure electric hypercar, mechanical, and that does exactly what it promises. And BYD understood it perfectly. They created a hypercar for people who want something that performs, not something that shows off. It brings the essentials: active suspension, torque vectoring, advanced controls, and performance improvements that were already necessary. But the best of all is the power. The Yangwang U9 2026 reaches almost 3,000 horsepower in the extreme version and around 1,300 horsepower in the standard trim, depending on the market. If you compare that with the absurd prices of today's hypercars, this is practically a gift. An electric hypercar with real performance, revolutionary technology, and accessible maintenance. That doesn't exist in the modern market anymore. That's why this model is grabbing attention. It's not the most practical, it's not the most civilized, nor the most comfortable, but it's one of the most honest hypercars you're gonna find. A vehicle designed for extreme performance, to dominate, to last. But hold on, because what's coming now at number 1 is precisely what demonstrates the true Chinese power in the automotive industry. Number 1. Xpeng G9. Now yes, we arrive at number 1, the Chinese car nobody saw coming, and that's leaving several traditional brands looking ridiculous. I present to you the Xpeng G9 2026, the new electric SUV with which Xpeng wants to get fully into the terrain of the Tesla Model Y and the BMW iX. And, listen well, many are already comparing it directly with them. It sound daring? Yes. Is it also justified because what Xpeng is doing with the G9? They wanted a powerful SUV, smart and advanced, and that was exactly what they delivered. A car built how things that last are built, with hard engineering, the kind that China has been developing since times of Industrial Revolution. The motor of the G9 says it all. A dual-motor setup producing up to 551 horsepower. It's not a motor to show off. It's a motor to dominate, to work, and to not leave you stranded on any highway. And the best of all is that it doesn't drink electricity like crazy, something that does happen with several modern electric SUVs that boast power, but leave your wallet empty. A detail that people didn't expect, and that really surprises, is its charging capability. Xpeng gave it 800 volts architecture with charging up to 525 kilowatts that allows adding 200 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes. This they designed 100% for the demanding electric vehicle market, and it works. It's a cheap solution, intelligent and practical. Exactly what many brands stop doing because they're obsessed with the premium image. And now, listen about the price of this SUV. The Xpeng G9 will arrive at the market starting at $56,000. Yes, in a world where any electric SUV asks you $75,000, $85,000 or more, Xpeng arrives with a direct hit to the market. Functional, robust, and accessible cars. Vehicles that fulfill, that don't rob you with costly spare parts, that don't depend on sensors to turn on a simple light. And that's what's scaring the competition. Because if this SUV enters with force in global markets, it's going to step on areas where neither Tesla nor BMW want to lose ground. So there you have it. China came out to the field with their master move, and these models are the proof. We also compiled a top 10 list of the largest SUVs in the world on public roads. It turned out to be a truly interesting video. Click and meet them, because that video is also awesome. Good luck!